Very well, after all that, we will continue to create other files. Still in component, we will create this time the file expenses.js, only unlike the others, where there is item or date before, you create expense.js. And another file where the same, you name it expenses, but this time you mark .css after it. And this time what we are going to do is you're going to take all the code here, which is in app.js, and you're going to put it directly here in the expense.js. We are going to transfer it to this page. Then you're going to import the expense items on the page expense.js, and you also import the expense.css. It will always be the same use, it is just a transfer on the other page, do not worry about it. Then we will go to the expense.css we just created, and you put expense, it's that simple. Then we can name a component card because it's a specific card aspect and it's not a term. We're going to do map.js, don't forget to put the very important capital C. Usually this means some kind of container look with rounded corners and drop shadows. That's why I choose map as the name here. So all this will be in the form of a card. So we're going to start writing. Inside we will put return and we'll put a div, and in this div we will be able to put what returns to us. That is to say, we will return the name card. And as always, do not forget to put export with a capital C. Then we will create another folder that will be map.css, and before filling anything we will go back to the map.js and we will import map.css. Now we will be able to start on the map.css. We will need two things in the expense.css, the box shadow and the border radius. With these two we will also be able to put our months. We will go in the expense item.js, and here instead of class name we will put card. Same down below, and between these two there we will be able to import card so that it is recognized in our page. We are going to go back to map.js, and normally you should remember that we did it in the last class, is the props.children. So children, it's a reserved name, okay? We're not putting children on this map. I'm sending a placeholder name accessory, and in fact it won't do anything for now, but it's nothing children related. Just above return, we will add a const class card plus props.className. As you can see here, the class is underlined, so that it doesn't make this error. What we're going to do is just delete the map, and in it we're going to add the word class, and you can see that it's gone, and now our code is fine. We will now go back to the expense.js, and there we will import map from like this. Here, as before, we can remove the div and replace it with map, and of course we also need to change it at the bottom. See you in the next lesson.